Hey everybody, I'm Danica on the Coast, and I'm here today to take you on a tour through this beautiful unit, B402. This unit has 3 bedrooms plus a bunk room and 3 full bathrooms, and it's right up at the front of the resort. The view is going to knock your socks off. So come on in and let me show you around. When you first enter this unit, you're going to find the bunk room. This is an awesome place for your kids to chill out, sleep on their devices, kind of stay out of your hair. They love climbing in these little bunk rooms. It's just a fun little cozy place for them. And here you'll find our laundry room. Welcome to the laundry room. We have in here a front load washer and dryer. I know you don't want to talk about laundry on your vacation, but you're probably at some point going to have to do some. And I'm sorry. We have a nice set for you. All of this is room for your things. So I love having this laundry room because I like to keep things tidy. And this is just a way for you to you can throw your beach stuff in here, your sandy chairs, blah, blah, blah. This is a cooler for you to use. In this closet right here, we have a broom and a dustpan. There's also air conditioner in there, and there's a flask water. Sometimes the broom lives over here. At any rate, it's somewhere, it moves, just moves around. This is an owner's closet, as is this. The owners have very generously given it to me to store all of my things to make your stay great. So we have nothing but linens in here. There's nothing valuable in here, but you can't go in because we don't want you dirtying up all the linens. This is our bathroom. Kind of goes with the bunk room and this bedroom over here. This is a walk-in shower. We have a single vanity in here. Cute little space. And this is our beautiful kitchen. I'm going to show you around some of the things in the kitchen just so you'll kind of have an idea of what we include and what we don't. First thing I want to point out is we have a regular coffee pot, and over here we have a Keurig. So no matter how you like to have your morning joe, we're ready for you. Up here we have dishes and a tea pitcher. And we have coffee cups, and there's a waffle maker up there. We have a little rice cooker here. Over here we have plastic dishes. The reason we have glass and plastic dishes is because we have grills down on the patio, and glass is not allowed. So you're welcome to take the plastic dishes down there with your family and grill out at the pool. You don't even have to buy paper plates. Here we have bakeware. There's some platters up top, and there's a measuring cup hiding back there. And over here we have your glasses and cups, wine glasses. This is some of our utensils. Down here we have pots and pans. We also have Teflon skillets, which I try to keep in very good condition. Over here we have a blender, a mixer, and there's a can opener in there. There's also a handheld can opener in the drawer, which is what I prefer. We have a cutting board down here and some room for your things. Here's our trash cans, silverware, and under here we have a toolbox. If something minor breaks, you're welcome to have a stab at fixing it. If you'd rather just call me, that will be fine as well. I would love to come meet you. Up here we have some little insulated cups. I think these are actually little koozies, and a crock pot. We have some linens in here, more kitchen gadgets. The metal gadgets are really intended for the grills. These are not good for Teflon. You probably know that. So do what your mama said and keep these out of my Teflon skillets. Pot holders. I know they're kind of a little bit from the oven, but we don't have a lot of drawers over there, so this is where they are. And then down here we have some mixing bowls, a colander, and a large stock pot. This kitchen has pretty much everything that you need to comfortably cook a big meal for your friends and family. This is our guest bedroom, and we have a bathroom in here as well. And this bathroom has a tub shower combo. It's a nice little space. And we're passing by our dining area to the next bedroom. And this bedroom has access to the patio, which is a great way to wake up in the morning. That ocean is the first thing that you see. It's just a lovely view. I want to talk a little bit too about our closets. Inside the closets, you're going to find lots of extra things. We have linens for the sofa bed, extra blankets, there are extra pillows. The pillowcases are wrapped up inside the sheets. A lot of people think we don't have pillowcases, but in fact we do. You just got to kind of unwrap the sheets a little bit to get to those. We also have a pack and play and a high chair somewhere in the unit. Could be any one of the 3 closets because things do tend to move around. So I don't direct you to which closet they are because it may be different next time. We also have 2 chairs and an umbrella. So with this unit, you're going to get free beach service. That is 2 chairs and an umbrella set up for you on the beach every day of your stay. They also come with a little table. Not everybody provides that little table. That's an extra perk that my renters get, as well as kayaking and paddleboarding, 1 hour every day of your stay. That's also not provided to everybody here at the resort. It's a perk that I provide for my renters, so you can take advantage of that. In addition, as I mentioned, we have 2 chairs and an umbrella in the closet, so you can get 2 extra chairs. You'd have a total of 4 chairs and 2 umbrellas at the beach at no extra charge. If you want more chairs than that, you're welcome to bring some from home. You're also welcome to rent more chairs on the beach when you get there. So it's super easy. We'll come back to the living room in a moment. Let's check out the master bedroom. This is a king-size bed. By the way, the other 2 beds were both queens. This is a king size. And check out that lovely view. It's just absolutely beautiful. And we're going to go out there in a moment and I'm going to really show you everything that there is to see. Here you're going to find a smart TV and a nice big closet. Also inside this closet, there's a little red wagon. I will open up this door just to show you. And there's some of the things that we talked about. Oh, I forgot to mention the fan and the air pump. All of my units come with an extra fan and air pump because we have a deck box on the patio that's full of toys and floats. And to blow those floats up, you're going to need an air pump. So there it is. This is our master bath. We have 2 very large sinks, a nice size walk-in shower, and a big garden tub. And of course, we have a toilet. My videographer hates showing toilets. And this is our living room. So this is where your family's going to hang out. This bed is a sleeper sofa, so you can sleep 10 people in here, 2 per bedroom, 2 in the bunk room, and 2 on the sofa bed. So enough about the furniture and how many people you're bringing. Let's go outside. Check out this view. Welcome to paradise, everybody. Being at the front of Waterscape is a coveted position in the resort, as is being able to view the inside of the resort because our pool deck is just rocking. So why don't we come over and take a look at that? We have a lazy river. Beyond that is our 0 entry pool with the lily pad course and a big waterfall. There's a tiki hut in between, and they sell drinks and meals, and their food is pretty good. There's a gym, there's an elevated pool deck, and then our heated pool is up behind the waterfall. It goes to the 2nd level. That's how we get our waterfall. There's a heated pool behind there, and then there's a splash pad, and if you look really hard, you might be able to see the pirate ship slide. I can see it from here. Lots of little toddlers play in that area. The water is only 12 inches deep, so mom and dad can actually just let go of them and relax a little bit. Another amazing thing about our pool deck is all the activities that we have. There is something going on here every day of the week, from about the 1st or 2nd week of March all the way through about the 3rd week of October. We have a rubber ducky race once a week. You can buy rubber duckies for $1. We put them in the pool, and the first 5 to cross the finish line get a cash prize. We have a movie at the pool. We have a pirate show once a week. There's a DJ glow party. And in the summertime, fireworks follow that. So all the kids come down and dance with the DJ. And then they go outside and play on the beach with all their glow toys and then watch the fireworks. It's super fun. We also have things like poolside bingo for the kids. There's a scavenger hunt, which helps you get familiar with the layout of the resort. Some things for you to find as you mosey about looking. There's just one of the greatest things about Waterscape is once you come here, you really don't have to leave the resort for anything. All the activities and entertainment are built in. So you don't have to spend money going out to other places. You can literally just get it all right here. Oh, and don't forget our beautiful beach. Did I mention that? You can see the chairs and umbrellas down there. That's part of the beach service that I was describing earlier. And you're welcome to bring your own tents and chairs. which you can see some of the people down there have done. It's a really nice setup. Our beaches are very friendly. We don't have any of those sand wars like they have in some parts of the county. This is public beach, so everybody is welcome to sit wherever you want, and we all get along, and it's beautiful. And you can see down here on the grass, there's some kids that have some little sports stuff set up. And this is just one cool thing about Waterscape is you can just use all the property. We have grassy areas, we have the beach, we have the pool area. There's a wash down area over here that I didn't point out, but you can desand everything before you come back up to your unit. Oh, I forgot to mention also we have a bubble party over in this other lawn area once a week. And all the little kids go out and blow bubbles. They have a bubble machine and it's just super fun. This unit has this lounger over here, plus these 2 chairs for you to hang out, maybe have a cocktail, and then the table and chairs for 4 people over here. There's a deck box hanging out in the corner. That's where I keep my toys and floats. Be sure to check that out. You don't have to pack any of that stuff. We also have some board games. They're hiding down here. They may move positions from time to time, so just look around for all the wonderful things. My name is Danica on the Coast, and I'm so happy that you watched the entirety of my tour. You made it to the end. My website is rentwaterscape.com. I am so thankful for you watching, and I hope to have you here soon. Bye.